Bitcoin and Ripple are still in decline, but there are signs of a potential bounce. So Bitcoin on the daily chart, it's still below the moving averages of the price chart, but notice the CCI is broken above the moving average, giving us a somewhat bullish signal. Now, it's not a divergence, but that's a positive sign for a potential bounce off that support we had at 84,700. Now, in alignment with the daily chart, got back here from the 11th of October, would have taken short trades only. And the way to avoid these drawdowns when you average down is avoid closing out the trade when the price of the moving averages start to turn up on the price here, but also paying attention to any bullish divergence. You can see there was a bullish divergence there. You would have been going short during that period, paying attention to higher lows on 1 hour chart. Now, I've deliberately zoomed out here on the 1 hour chart. What we're looking at here is the moving averages. We're not necessarily zooming in too close to the price necessarily. We want to get a bigger picture of the moving averages. So we're going short in the direction of the daily and closing it out when those moving averages, especially on the price, start turning up and paying divergence. So again, you would have avoided those drawdowns on the profitability, avoiding going short during that period with the upswing of the moving averages, another upswing there, and where we are at the moment, taking a fresh short trade there, price and CCI breaking below the moving averages. So for Ripple, similar sort of pattern on the daily, still bearish, but notice here we've got a bullish divergence, higher lows on the CCI versus lower lows on the price. Hasn't quite bounced yet. We've drawn a target range for it there. Currently the price is still consolidating along that support level at 184.8. But notice the CCI is still rising, positive. So again, don't go long yet. We don't trade these bullish divergence. We look at it as a potential exit area to get out of short trades. So if you're going short during this whole period, you may want to consider taking profits and waiting for a decision one way or the other. On the hourly, similar sort of thing to Bitcoin, taking short trades during those downturns on the moving averages, paying divergence, avoiding those drawdowns by not or closing out your trades when the moving average bands start to turn up. Where we are at the moment, you see there, fresh breakout to the downside, moving average, and your trade getting ready to close it out eventually. Like some share trading ideas, why not subscribe to the Patreon page? These are some of the trades we've closed in December. Today's the 1st of January 2026. So this is now completed for December's report, and we've generated 4.5% returns for the month. Now, these are all closed trades. None of these are open at the moment. So to get access to the Patreon page, links in the description below. Hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next update.